It's a phone. What's up, guys? It is your girl Kayden. I am here with my niece. It is the day after Thanksgiving. You know, I just woke up kind of ish like 30 minutes ago, looking like a mess. Still haven't taken off any of my makeup at all. Thanksgiving was fine. Got to see my family. Hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving as well. I did my makeup last night. I did not have time to, you know, do my Thanksgiving makeup tutorial or fall look kind of makeup tutorial. So I thought I have time this morning. I might as well just do that and then go to my editor to go edit this. Shout out to Zach. Love you, bro. So let's get into it. So first I start off with using my charcoal makeup wipes to get all the leftover makeup I had on from yesterday. Then I'm gonna re-straighten my hair because I didn't take care of it last night after I passed out and it's a little crazy. So I tie it up in a bun on the top, then brush it out on the bottom and then start straightening from there. Thanks. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. So now I'm gonna use argan oil of Moroccan on my hair to have like a shiny little touch to it. I start at my roots and then I go all the way down to my ends. And since I have curly hair, my dead ends are really bad. So I put them like a lot at the ends. So now I'm using Near Perfection Acne Cream. It's, you know, obviously to keep my pimples away, and you can use it when your face is dry or wet. And you rub it in, leave it in for 10 seconds, and then wash it off. Now I'm using 24K Gold Oil Serum from Ulta. I'm just gonna rub that all over my face for primer. Now I'm using Smashbox Primer Tarte foundation in the shade of light medium, I think. Now I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer, using it under my cheekbones, on the top of my head, and on my jawline. Now I'm using Milani, I think it's called, bronzer to set in the Hoola bronzer also, and to get some highlight. Now I'm using Beauty For Real, the blush stick. It has a bronzer on one side and then a blush on the other, and it's really nice because it's like creamy and smooth when you apply it. I'm using my It Cosmetic brush to blend it all out. Then I'm using Milani blush again to set in the Beauty For Real. Now I'm gonna use Secret Cinema's loose powder to set in my foundation. Now I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia and Alamar, which I stole from my friend. And I'm using one color from there, Cocoa. Now we're gonna use Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It like makes your lips really plumpy. And I have no clue what that eyeshadow is called, but it's my favorite ever. And I'm using it under my eyes to like make this little kind of tired look go on. I'm using Beauty For Real mascara because it has a really small wand and I have really tiny eyelashes, so it's really easy for me to get really close. Normally I would be using lip lashes, but after this I am. These are, I think these are Precious. Normally I would put these on, but my eyes are very sensitive. All right, so this is my fall / Thanksgiving look. I hope you guys like the video. Go down below for the link to my Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff, if you guys want to keep in contact with me. And I'm going to be trying to post every week. So if you guys like my videos enough, go on my Instagram or text me or email me. I'm gonna do like polls every week on my Instagram. So if you go on the link and you go to my Instagram and you see the poll, you can like choose what video you guys want every week, like a makeup look or like a vlog or a trip or whatever. So like, subscribe, do you. I love you guys so much. Have a nice day.